Having some cameras to keep an eye on your home or workspace can be very beneficial, but sometimes they can be expensive or complicated to get set up and use. But if all you want is a simple camera with some really nice features, the Wyze cameras are definitely worth a look. Today, we're taking a look at the Wyze Cam Pan. Priced at $38, it packs quite a few features for such a low price. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, this is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. Getting the Wyze Cam Pan out of the box, packaging feels pretty premium for such a low price. First off, we find the quick start guide, which gives a nice overview of the Cam Pan and the steps to get it set up and started. Inside this accessory box, we find the plug and cable for power, which is a USB-A to micro USB cable. And then we have the Cam Pan itself. Branding is almost non-existent on the camera, giving it a nice clean design, and the camera only weighs 1.2 pounds, making it easy to place almost anywhere. On the front is a camera which tilts, a light sensor, the sides are blank, and on the back we have a port for power and an additional USB port. On the bottom, there's a setup button, a micro SD card slot, and the microphone. And we can also see that it can use a standard quarter 20 mount. Getting the Cam Pan set up was very simple. Just download the Wyze app, plug in the Cam Pan, hold the setup button on the bottom of the camera for a few seconds, and follow the steps in the Wyze app for adding the camera. Once added in the Wyze app, there's quite a bit of customization you can do for how you want the camera to operate. You can set 4 waypoints that the camera pans between automatically, turn motion detection on or off, set detection zones, schedules, record time lapses, and set up some recently added advanced features like person detection. For the most part, the Cam Pan seemed to do a good job with motion detection, but it isn't perfect. Occasionally it would pan too far in the frame and track the window rather than what action was going on. It would track me well moving through the room though. And with the wide angle of view, depending on your room, you might not need much movement. And if you don't need the camera to pan, check out the Wyze Cam. This $20 camera still has all the same features, just without the ability to pan and tilt. You can dial in the sensitivity of motion detection, and to further combat excessive notifications, Wyze has also recently updated their firmware to include person detection. This helps to avoid movement detections from pets, bugs, or shadows, and does a much better job of detecting only humans, if that's what you want to be notified of. This is a feature that can be turned on or off. Wyze has also talked about adding other advanced features, so be sure to keep an eye on firmware updates to see what else is coming out. There are a couple of ways to access video that is stored. If you want the Cam Pan to record everything and to be able to scan back through footage, be sure to get a micro SD card and install it into the camera. This is probably another way that Wyze keeps costs down on the Cam Pan by not including internal storage, but allowing you to add your own if it fits your needs. Out of the box though, the Cam Pan allows 14-day cloud storage for any recorded events. When motion or sound detection are turned on, the Cam Pan will record a 10 to 14 second clip that will be stored in the cloud for 14 days and can be accessed via the Events tab in the Wyze app. Again, for continuous recording, a micro SD card is needed. In the app, you can set schedules for recording and reporting events. This lets you schedule times that you know will be more important to record, like at night after you go to bed. And in combination with schedules, you can also set detection zones. Between schedules, detection zones, detection sensitivity, and person detection, you can really dial in the Cam Pan to your specific space and needs. The Cam Pan works well in the dark as well. With the lights turned off in my office, I could still pan around and easily see everything. Another feature that might appeal to some is the ability for the Cam Pan to work with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa. I was easily able to install the Wyze Alexa skill and view the feed from the Echo Show 5. Looking around on Amazon, there are a lot of ways to customize your Cam Pan as well. Everything from custom wall mounts, protective covers, to silicone skins let you tweak the Cam Pan to fit your needs. Overall, I've been pleasantly impressed with the quality of the Wyze Cam Pan for the price. Packaging, design, physical features, and app features are all pretty spot on, especially for $38 on Amazon. And with their apparent dedication to coming out with new features via firmware updates, like their person detection, the Cam Pan should only get better. What do you think of the Wyze Cam Pan? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9to5 Toys.